हाय इट्स 10:15 इन द मॉर्निंग ऑफ 11th जून। और अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि कौन सी कंपनीज में हम देख फोकस कर सकते हैं और फर्स्ट हाफ में ट्रेडिंग में क्या कुछ हुआ। So one of the very interesting things which I am seeing is a lot of companies like ACL Tech और Tech Mahindra में भी मैंने बोला था LTI और Mindtree made a new all-time high, and these companies are तो मैंने आई बुक्ड आउट प्रॉफिट. I think it's okay for now, and maybe IT is not going to run further in the session. मैं गलत भी हो सकता हूँ. Always consult your financial advisor before investing. इसका मतलब ये नहीं मैं शॉर्ट करने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर मेरा प्रॉफिट है जैसे लाइक टेक महिंद्रा में था और वो इट्स अ रेंज बाउंड एंड देयर इज अ ह्यूज चांस दैट देयर विल बी अ ब्रेकआउट. But till now I don't see a breakout happening. Similar things I can see uh, is when I'm trying to find a particular sector, I can see companies like IOC, Hindpetro, and there was also BPCL. So as a result of which, I will try to monitor this particular sector from because of sale result. Maybe we have companies like Tata Steel, Vedanta, और जिंदाल स्टील भी मैंने वो मेंशन किया था. सो दे आर स्टिल रेंज बाउंड एंड just like also JSW Steel. So steel sector companies, they all are trying to make highs, but personally it's a range bound trades, and they are just in the upper range. Uh, so maybe this is these are also not very interesting for me. And other than that, other company which I really like right now is Escos. Escos is trying to cross 1230, so it's in my radar, and I think Escos can do a huge good run from here. Other than that, the two companies which I am actually one of the एक कंपनी थी जो मैंने पहले भी इस 2 दिन पहले एक वीडियो में कहा था, और वो रेंज बाउंड थी 540 तक. लेकिन IGL इज़ दैट कंपनी जो अभी 546 में ट्रेंड कर रही है. सो मे बी अगर सेंटिमेंट अच्छी रही तो इट विल ट्राई, बिकॉज इट वॉज गुड. कल 544 तक गई थी और फिर कंसोलिडेट होके 540 में जाके वो जो ब्रेकआउट आया था उसका वो वैलिडेट की, एंड नाउ इज ट्रेडिंग राउंड अबाउट 546. I think going forward IGL would be one of the companies where I would try to do a long. And other than that, yeah, that's it. So Aisha Motor, Bajaj Auto, ये सब companies they are trying to move towards new high. लेकिन I really similarly there was another company Sun Pharma जो मैंने कल 680 में बोला था कि it's a resistance zone, and today it went towards 682 and then it's consolidating to a 680. I don't think there is much momentum in that. Given this particular setup, I think I would try to have a position in IGL and try to see if I'm able to get some 1% some move from 546 to 550 plus. And yeah, let's see. Till now ज़्यादा कुछ हो नहीं रही है मार्केट में. And I think going forward, one of the sectors, as I mentioned, and another company would be Escorts, definitely, as I also mentioned. Yeah, that's it. Let's see क्या होता है. और APLL Limited, APL Limited और Gale Power Grid maybe also. These may be two other companies which I would try to see. लेकिन some huge selling came for Power Grid made an all-time high, so I would also be tracking that. Huge selling came for LIC Housing Finance, which I tweeted, and I was able to make a breakout trade, and it made a new 52-week high at 542 plus, and now it's down to 530. So there was a huge sell-off happening over there, and I think it's not the shorts but it's the profit booking, because we were all entering at different levels between 500 and 538, which was the previous all-time high which was made 2 days ago. So I really don't see this as a problem. As long as it's consolidating between 530 and 540, I'm pretty sure that very soon LIC Housing Finance would be running. So that's it for now. Is 12 is 10 15, and I think from a sectorial perspective, steel, there are a lot of steel companies, but I think they are all range bound, and since they are in the upper range, so basically it might be interesting to see if a breakout comes, which I really doubt for today. And on the top of that, there are also some IT companies, and I think it's better to means I have booked out my profits in LTI and Tech Mahindra. So you can see LTI, SCL Tech, a lot of other companies, and one of the two companies which are running together is IGL, and there should be an MGL should be somewhere. No, actually MGL is also range bound, and hence it's not showing up. And I think, yeah, IGL would be one of the companies. Okay, MGL is also here. Yeah, so MGL is also range bound, and I think the chances are not that much high. But yeah, I will try to track IGL, MGL, and try to see if there's some interesting trade which could be taken. Thanks a lot for listening, and I hope this market watch was interesting and helpful for you. Bye bye.